CRBN Pickleball Power Series. This paddle is designed for elite players seeking more power and is made from durable, high-performance carbon fiber. It's built to last and shine with no expenses spared, making it the top power-focused paddle available. The CRBN Power Series offers a perfect balance of durability, touch, and power, allowing for aggressive play on the courts. One noticeable feature is its slightly shorter handle, which introduces more surface area compared to previous models, making it suitable for a wider range of players. The compact handle, closer to 5.7 inches, might not sound like a big deal, but it offers a significant difference in feel and control. Much like the double black diamond, the CRBN-3X delivers power, spin, and control. It sharpens your game with a softer feel and a larger sweet spot. For those who seek stability and less popping, the CRBN-3X is a fantastic alternative. Intermediate players will find it beneficial, but it's packed with enough power and spin to satisfy advanced players with a skill level of 4.0 and above. The CRBN-3X feels solid and premium, featuring a sleek, modern black carbon fiber design. It's well built and hard to fault, hitting hard, spinning efficiently, and offering enough control for an all-around game. This paddle also has injected foam around the edges and through the handle, adding stability, eliminating vibration, and greatly expanding the sweet spot. This results in improved shot consistency no matter where you hit the ball. Overall, this model offers premium performance at the best possible price-quality ratio. You wanted the best, you got it.